Okay everybody, it's Ben Dittmar here again. May 21st, 2011. Today we're going to run a 1956 Scott Outwater made Hiawatha. This motor was built in northeast Minneapolis and sold to the Gamble store, then labeled under Hiawatha. This motor hasn't run on the boat now for about 3 years, and it started on the third pull. As a matter of fact, I still got smoke across the water. I'll see if I can get it. There's the smoke from the first time startup on this motor. But we'll go ahead and run this one. This is a real sweetheart of a motor. These things take a while to get the water pump going on them. There, it's pumping. Mosquito. Looks like it might rain on us here, so we're going to have to hurry up with these videos. This is a nice little one. I really like this motor. I had this motor on display at the Minneapolis Boat Show a few years ago. It's a very nice original. I got Pepper Dog as my co-pilot tonight, so he's sitting right next to me. Pulling out some of my classic outboard collection here for showing off here on YouTube. I'm brand new to this all. Just got a camera a couple weeks ago, so I'm just learning it all. But I want to show off my old motors. I have a lot of them. So I figure it'll take a while to show them all off. But that's a dead idle. Whoop. Not bad for a 1956. This one does not have Bailomatic, but the water pump is still right underneath the power head. And it just takes forever for it to prime. I'm always just about ready to shut it off. And then I start seeing it pumping water. But we're going to try to get in the last two motors here before we run out of time and the rain hits us. Pretty neat.